Welcome to the exciting world of engineering technology. FLATE, or the Florida Advanced Technological Education Center, has partnered with over 20 engineering technology programs across the state of Florida. Today, we're taking you inside Polk State College, located in the heart of Florida in one of the largest industry sectors in the state, servicing industries such as supply chain, advanced manufacturing, robotics, and many more.
I'm Maury Tusi, and I'm a Director of Engineering Technology at Polk State College. The most important function that we can play to satisfy the needs of industry, to identify the skill gaps that is identified by industry members, not by education.
I'm Contemp Aventarath. I'm with Pilot One, and I'm the Director of Operational Technology. So I'm on the Industry Advisory Board, working with Polk State, and what we do is I either send my students, my new employees for upskilling, or we look for graduates from Polk State because I think we align very well. Because the reason why I get involved is to make sure that Polk State provides the students I need and educates them in the right areas for exactly what we need in the industry and where I see technology going.
My name is Tiffany Vilches. I am the project manager for the Operational Technology Department. Women in OT, I think, just like Con mentioned, it's going to be a growing trend. Even though we're not doing IT directly, there's a lot of women that I know currently that are pursuing advanced degrees, just like I am, in the data analytics concentration. So I know that it's going to be a field where it continues to grow. I think in leadership, you'll see it in engineers, you'll see it in technology. So I don't think anyone should be surprised that this is a growing industry for women.
Manufacturing industry and technology is evolving, and we constantly need to update our curriculum. The best way to update our curriculum is to receiving input and feedback from industry. This is Advanced Technology Center. It started 12 years ago. It is 47,000 square feet of building and $20 million project. So you see on every single door that you go through, the name of a company is on the rooms. And every single equipment that we purchase is based on local industry needs. Our liquid process control system is fully automated. It's run by a PLC, Allen Bradley PLC. It contains about 42 different type of sensors, 19 motorized valves that are all computerized and computer controlled. So our students are able to write a program to move liquid from one container to another one in many different under many different conditions. We also have mechanical design and fabrication. Mechanical design fabrication is basically production of machine components starting from scratch, from design all the way to CNC operation. Students see they can get a job as soon as they graduate, they come here. And as a matter of fact, many of our students, they get a job before they graduate, and that's one of our issue because they start making good money, they forget about the schooling. But it's the employers that force them to go back to school and finish their degree. That's most of the time.
I think the students that are coming out with PLC knowledge, having experience with the Fanic robots, having experience with just basic levels of programming PLCs and understanding of PLCs, actuators, drive motors, controllers, and things like that. I think when you come into our production floors, you see all of that.
To see how Polk State College can get your career in engineering technology kicked off, visit polk.edu/engineering technology. And to learn more about engineering technology education and manufacturing in Florida, visit flate.org. Thank you for joining us.